Hello everyone, welcome to Dollars on You. I hope you guys having great time. Maybe you might in idle mood because of the Chinese New Year. Yes, this is a challenge that uh, dropshippers face every year because of this Chinese New Year. Most of the suppliers are on holidays, right? And if you do some trying to do some drop shipping, you might not cannot order the same product, or the delivery might be take a few days extra. So, and these kind of challenges you might feel every uh, year and when you are running the business. Also, this time we have another uh, challenge coming up because this is this coronavirus in China. Because I have seen some customers who ordered something and they received from China, and they could panic about the product. They are thinking, do we get this order product, or can we use it because of this coronavirus? So these kind of challenges will come up every year. Don't worry, be positive about that. I hope very soon they will find solution for this virus. Okay guys, next thing is this, when you are in this January, this period, it's better you take your time, uh, enhance your shop store, and also do some good product research before you when it end of this Chinese New Year, you can start promotion and advertising. So that's all about these challenges that you gonna face in this like January, end of January. And I'll go through the, I have around 9 products today, and I'm gonna go through them. Before that, I'd love to ask you like this video if it is helpful for you. Otherwise, don't do that. Or else, if you like to get this winning product ideas, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far. All right guys, let me go through my first product I have selected. Yeah, this is a hand grip. This can helpful for the gym workouts and like weightlifting. Can be weightlifting glove or gymnastic guard or something. So this is quite different than other gloves. It doesn't cover whole hand. It just covered only protect your only palm. Let me play this video so you will might get better idea about that. Alright guys, that's the product. Hope it's clear for you now. So this product had sold so far 4,400 orders, including 4.8 ratings, and it has a good number of reviews, 1,800 reviews. There are sizes you can select from here, and the colors as well. Let me show you some reviews here. But this is the actual product image here, some review image, and this is another one. So some people saying it's bit uncomfortable, but some saying it's good product. Anyway, it's a product that you can try because it has so far it has good number of orders as well. Right, let me go to second product which I chosen. All right, this is belongs to again the fitness. This is called push-up board. Right now, how this board works, whoever do the push-up, they can change this what do you call the handles, right? And whenever they change the handle in this board, that the muscle which get affected will change actually. So this is a practical product actually, because even when I'm in the gym, I try to change this the hand the position which I'm performing the push-ups, so it affects the different muscles and sort of thing. So it's like this. So you can see that in this image you can see where this the product is going to affect this body parts like shoulders, the red color, and triceps in green, chest. If they push, do the push up in this with like blue color, it will be chest, and yellow gonna be a back. So this is a practical product. It's good product according to me. So far it's sold 2,390, and I have seen some ads running already, and that means product is good, and even it has the e-packets, so you can choose e-packets if you are shipping to China to USA. Let me show you some reviews here. Let's try to see the actual images. Right, this is actual images. Product is same as the like product images like in AliExpress, the same images. Product look nice actually. This is the back side of the board. Anyway, it's a if you are in a fitness niche or like workout something in you have any category with the fitness in your store, you can try this product. Doesn't matter, because it has 4.8 positive reviews as well. So that's my second product, and let me go to this third one. All right, if you're in the baby niche, this is a product you can try. This is the baby hammock from the AliExpress. You can buy it for $9.99. Different colors available. And so far the product is sold completed only 55 orders and 28 reviews. So still it's worth to try. It's a good product idea, of course. And this, let me try to show you the correct images. All right, this is how the product going to deliver. That's only one product I have. So if you are in the baby niche, or if you have a category for the baby or mothers, you can try this product as well. That's my third one, and let me pick my fourth product which I chose. All right, this is again related to the babies, but I really like this product because it's solving someone's problem, guys. This is when it comes to the baby, when the baby try to stand up and walk, there's always this chance that they can fall down or fall back or something, because they are not still the muscles are not strong. They're trying to learn the steps and they need support. So in these cases, the babies, the mothers are really worried about baby, and especially when they fall down, they hit their head on ground. So this product can avoid that, and I love this product. If you can promote, this is a good product idea. So what this product can do is, now if the baby is there, this cushion, you can tie the cushion on this baby's back like this, and they are safe. Even when some babies, when they sit like this as this image, they can fall backward, so that protects their head. So this product sold 967 orders, and I have checked the reviews. The mothers are very happy about this. See, this is the actual image. All right, this is the image, and this is the customer. You can see the baby is wearing this cushion, and I look like he has got positive feedback about the product. Anyway, this is another product. He's wearing this cushion which we are talking about, and this is another customer. So anyway, this product has a very good reviews, guys. Everybody happy about this product. I couldn't find anybody complain about it or bad review. Anyway, it has actually 4.9 stars. That means product is very good. So it's another product idea for baby niche. Let me go to the next one. This is this product is completed only 4 orders actually, but I like this product idea. That's why sorry that's why I chosen here. So this is a paper scrapbook decoration, and sorry, let me drink some water, guys. This is called Haruki Nakamura paper toys. Instead of explaining this toy to you, let me show you the video. That will be helpful for you. This is a video. You can see these are all these toys has a different activity. Like some get standing up. Like you can see this one. It's like that. There's a different animals here. There's a penguin. There's this a shark. There's a flower, and there's a different toys are here that you can try actually. I don't see there's any customer reviews. There's no customer reviews. This was sold only 4 times. 4 completed only 4 orders. So, but product is very attractive. If you want, you can try and see how your customers are responding to this product. You can try this one to the mothers and who have kids like above age 2 to about 2 years. So you can try this product and see how it works, guys. So next one, this is wood seasoning bee wax. It's the product name actually. I'm not sure it's a natural bee wax or whatever. Anyway, this is product that help you to clean the furniture. And here is the video of this. It's saying it has, see, after that cleaning it gets real shiny actually. So this product sold more than 4,391 orders completed so far. It has 4.8 rating. It looks nice, and I think I have added this product to my Facebook group as well earlier. So if you are interested in getting into more Facebook Shopify product ideas, just join my Facebook group. You can get more product ideas every day. And this product has 8 customer reviews, and this is the actual image of the product. So this is the product. I have seen some Facebook ads as well. I'm not sure that how the audience respond about that, because I forgot to check that. So anyway, this product has so far good orders, and you can try this as well. It's just a product idea, so you can choose, you can test this, or else you can leave it. Next one, and this is storage hold rack. This one you can, whoever want to get more space in their room or kitchen, they can use this one actually. See how the product works. It's like this. When it comes to the kitchen, they're looking they're looking for more space in the kitchen, because in this case you can see they hang these cups in this rack, so it always saves some space in the kitchen. Also wardrobe, it's like this. You can, the product is like this, and you can use this product to wherever you want to get more space. Right, this has only 106 orders, 44 reviews only, but it's a good product idea. You can test this as well. Next one is Luminous paint nail polish. It's completed only 19 orders with 2 reviews. I'm not sure this product is very new or not. Yeah, it's reviews only quite, I think this is quite new, this product. So maybe it's time for you guys to jump in and start selling, because it might work for you. It might be a viral, can go as a viral as well. So make nice video about this product. Try to get some images and make nice video about this. So this one can change your business as well. So the colors are different here. You can see down, the colors are very different. There's a different colors. So you can price it like, if you buy 3 piece, 1 piece get free. It's like that. So it encourage for more sales here, right? And next product, what I have chosen is this one. This is a multifunction level ruler, right? This has completed 448 orders and 15 reviews so far. What this ruler does is, this is very good for someone hanging the photos and picture frames in their houses, because this one can easily measure the angle and the other stuff here. You can see this has very there's a lot of options here actually. See, this is the product. Yes. So it has a 15 customer reviews as of now. This is product, actual images from the customer. So far it has positive reviews, and I hope it's useful for someone as a household item. So you can test this product as well. The next one, and that's the last product actually. I don't have any more products for today, and I hope this product list is helpful for you. And don't forget to like the video if it's useful, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you guys.